Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from police activity. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as multiple late-night 911 calls to a neighborhood in Woodbridge Township quickly draws officers to a home where tensions are already building before they even arrive. As police respond during the early morning hours, the situation begins unfolding fast with very little information about what's waiting for them inside. The breakdown starts now.
Oh shit. Put the fucking bat down. Put the fucking bat down.
Drop the bat.
Put the fucking bat down.
Leave me the fuck alone. Drop the bat.
Put the bat down.
Leave me alone. Drop the bat.
Put the bat down.
Pay attention to how carefully officers are trying to slow this situation down here, because once someone refuses to create distance from a weapon, the pressure on everyone involved changes immediately.
Leave me alone, bro. Drop the bat, bro. Leave me the fuck alone. Drop the bat. Leave me alone. Drop the bat. Drop the bat. Nope. Come on, bro. Leave me the fuck alone. Drop the bat. Leave me alone, man. Drop the bat. Leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, bro. Drop the bat. Back up. Drop the bat.
You can tell officers are still trying to gain compliance without rushing this physically, because once commands keep getting ignored during an armed encounter, the room for a peaceful outcome starts shrinking fast.
Come on, dude, drop the bat.
Come on, bro. Drop the bat. Back up. Oh, you get hurt. Back up.
Watch how the energy starts changing here once the suspect becomes more confrontational. Officers immediately have to start reading both the tone and the body language at the same time.
Drop the fucking bat! Drop the bat! Shoot me! Drop the bat! Nope. Oh, shit. Back up. Back up. It's gonna be Barry Bonds. Drop the bat! Nope. Drop the bat! Nope. Back up. Back up.
Watch how officers start reacting once the suspect's tone and movements become more aggressive, because this is usually the point where they know the situation could shift very quickly.
Hey, drop the fucking bat! I won't tell you again! Drop the bat!
Talk to me!
Drop the bat!
Do it now!
You know who? The bat!
Yo, you know who I am! I can
Drop
help
the
you!
bat!
I helped you in town, I can help you now! Talk to me!
I'm going to jail.
No, you're not!
By this point, officers have been trying to slow this situation down for several minutes without much progress, and you can tell they're still focused on keeping distance and maintaining control as the standoff continues.
Focus on me! Focus on me!
Shoot me. Man, shoot me, bro. Nobody wants to shoot me, shoot me, bro.
Drop the weapon!
Somebody's gonna get batted, bro. Right now. Right now.
Drop the
Leave me the
bat!
fuck alone.
Back.
I'll throw the
Watch your car, watch your car, watch your car in the back.
Fuck that car. I care about that. Fuck you. Alright? This is your fucking fault, bitch. Leave me the fuck alone.
Watch how much more tense this encounter is about to become, because the longer this standoff continues without compliance, the more pressure it puts on everyone involved.
Yo! Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Right.
You can see officers preparing for this situation to escalate even further, Because once an armed standoff drags on this long, every movement starts getting taken more seriously.
Get out of the way!
No. Hey, you guys stay back!
Get the fuck back! Get the fuck back!
Yo, come on, bro. No, stop.
By this point, officers appear to believe the situation has reached a critical stage, and you can feel the encounter moving away from negotiation and toward immediate action.
Fucking back. Nope.
Someone with a taser, please.
Drop the fucking.
Get it back!
Shots fired.
I got the bat! Hey, someone get a medic bag! Medic bag! Medic bag!
After repeated commands for Alan to drop the bat were ignored, the confrontation ultimately reached a point where officers decided to use lethal force to stop the threat. During the encounter, an officer discharged his service weapon multiple times, striking Alan and bringing the standoff to an end after several tense minutes of attempted verbal commands and de-escalation efforts. Emergency medical aid was provided at the scene before Alan was transported to Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital in New Brunswick for treatment. According to officials, he later succumbed to his injuries and was pronounced deceased at approximately 9:21 a.m. The incident quickly drew attention because of how rapidly the situation escalated from officers attempting to gain compliance into a deadly confrontation. Encounters involving edged weapons often place officers in extremely difficult positions, especially when repeated commands fail to slow the situation down or create enough distance to safely regain control. How do you think the officers handled this situation? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this breakdown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown TV, and share this with someone who enjoys real-world police footage and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.